to the entire locker room. I will carve you up.
There's truly no one like him. One of the greatest Intercontinental Champions to ever rock the gold. There's the bell, and Razor Ramon is set for action. As suave as he is savvy, Ramon isn't afraid to bend the rules a little if it gets him what he wants.
Yeah, because whatever Razor wants, he gets. And don't get it twisted. Just because he stays cool and laid back outside the ring doesn't mean Ramon's afraid to get his hands a little dirty.
Yeah, mess around with a bad guy and you'll find out just how lethal and cunning he can be.
Though his opponent will have something to say about that, he himself has garnered a lot of experience and knows in this business you're either stepping up or being stepped on. Sharp punch. Flat cover. Shoulders are down. Just kicks out. Able to squeeze that shoulder out. So close.
Right to the kidneys from behind. Nice side headlock applied.
Oh, what a good measure.
This can only be bad for him. And an inverted atomic drop. Targeting the throat there.
There's the monkey flip.
Followed by a spectacular crossbody.
And Ramon wringing the arm, looking now for a top wrist lock. Oof. But here comes the fire. And some effective offense with that one.
Stop in the leg. Uh-oh. Elbow drop.
Deconstructing the knee there. Lifting their opponent back to their feet and up.
Oh my, discus punch.
And Razor's leaving no breathing room here.
Razor Ramon staying in line so far, but still playing by his rules. Good night so far for the bad guy.
Ooh, well measured.
He's in a bad way, guys.
Yeah, this match has not been kind to him.
Big back body drop. Oh, look at the well-placed elbow right on the mark.
Great trouble here. Can he get it fully locked in?
Camel clutch locked in.
He's got it locked in.
He may not have a choice. He may have to... And he very quickly counters. And he's able to reverse.
Big time clothesline. Good grief. How insulting is that? Disgusting behavior. There was no respect shown there. Sidewalk slam.
Almost drove him through the ring.
He's got the target acquired. Just a matter of moments.
Oh, elbow right to the breadbasket for their troubles.
Tossed into the corner.
Setting it up.
Brain buster. Razor looks knocked out.
Somehow he kicked out.
Sent straight into the barricade.
Face first into the barricade.
Dominating shoulder tackle. Razor Ramon just goading his opponent.
Consider Razor Ramon cunning, while others might call him underhanded. Corey, what's your take on that argument?
Razor Ramon doesn't play by the rules, Cole. He plays by his rules.
He got whipped into that corner.
Driving their opponent down now. Launching.
Wants him with a bulldog. some serious damage.
A bad guy looking to end this now. Here it comes. Razor's Edge.
Razor's put a lot of competitors out with that.
On a win. Wow, he's going to celebrate all night long.
Here is your winner, the bad guy, Razor Ramon.
Razor Ramon earned a huge victory here.
Chalk another one up for the bad guy. It's true, nice guys finish last.